Hello there, I'm Shannon Becker, Joplin News First, powered by 4State's homepage with the 2700 block of South Rangeline. And behind us here, it's a serious T-bone crash that's brought the Joplin Police Department major crash team out this afternoon. Two people, driver of a passenger vehicle and a motorcycle operator, were both transported priority 1 to Freeman West Hospital. Where we are here, it's to the south side of Lowe's parking lot, just across from Sutherland's. We'll update our story at 4State's homepage as more information is released from the Joplin Police Department, and Joplin Police Major Crash Team with Sergeant Jared Delzell are here on the scene. Joplin News First is sponsored by Woods and Peterson, neoshoattorney.com, and powered by 4State's homepage in partnership with KSN 16 Local News and KODE 12 Action News. Remember, if it's live, breaking, Joplin News First.